Could you survive without your server hardware and your business data for, I don't know, 34 days? After a ransomware attack, cyber liability insurance companies are now regularly sequestering hardware and bringing in a cyber forensics team to investigate your breach. As a matter of fact, you can't touch your hardware or your data until that investigation is over. Guess what? No matter how long it takes. A Prodatix customer recently had their hardware sequestered for 34 days by their insurance company. Luckily, because they were a Prodatix customer and they had all their offsite backup immutable and protected in our Tier 3 data center, they were able to stay operational for that entire 34-day span. Now, how do we do that? Well, we took their backup data and we quickly moved it to our high performance servers where we stored all their data in just a few hours and had their customers and their employees accessing all of their programs and all of their data as if nothing happened. Now, that, my friends, is true disaster recovery to save time and save your reputation for that particular customer. Now, you want to know more and find out how we can set you up to succeed despite ransomware? Talk to Prodatix today. We look forward to talking to you and have a great day.